Welcome back another Lightroom tutorial. In this video I will show you how to edit black and blue filter using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. If you want this preset you can download the video's description from the link. Subscribe to my channel for other videos. So let's start editing. Open Lightroom mobile. Go to Lights. Select Curve Adjustment. Following the steps. Done. And exposure to plus 0.50. Plus 60 contrast. Increase highlights to plus 20. Minus 100 shadows. And whites to minus 100. Then black to plus 40. Done. Next go to color adjustment. Vibrance down to minus 25. Saturation to minus 30. Select mix option. Select red color. Saturation plus 16. Luminance down to minus 10. Next orange color. Hue to minus 10. Bring saturation to plus 10. Select the yellow color. Hue decrease to minus 98. And same value for saturation minus 98. Then select green color. Hue to plus 1. Saturation to minus 100. And select the aqua color. Hue down to minus 100. Plus 2 saturation. And blue color. Hue to minus 29. Minus 53 to saturation. Go to purple color. Saturation down to minus 100. And last to magenta. Drag saturation to minus 100. Done. Next go to Effects. Select the Split Tone Adjustment. Highlights value for hue to 210 and saturation to 5. And shadows value hue to 220 and saturation to 10. Done. Back to Effects. Clarity to plus 20. Plus 40 dHz. Vignette down to minus 33. And midpoint to plus 73. Next go to Details. Bring to noise reduction to 20. Finish. Before and after. Now let's try it. Copy this preset to another photo. If you want this preset, you can download the video's description from the link. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like. See you next video.